Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 27 from the chapter of laws of motion. The topic is the calculation of force on an object. So based on this topic, I have one question which was asked in the IIT JEE main exam in the year 2025. So ये question इसी साल का question है and the question is an object of mass 500 gram is moving along the x-axis with a speed given by v is equal to 4 under root x meter per second. So the force acting on the object is चार options है and we have to find the correct one. So question बहुत आसान है. We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. Now acceleration can be written as dv upon dt and this can further be written as m into v dv upon dx. So simply we have to find the value of dv upon dx, or we can say that we have to find the value of v dv upon dx. M is already given to us. So from this equation, that is v is equal to 4 under root x. This can be further written as v square is equal to 16x, and if I differentiate this equation with respect to x, then I will get 2v dv upon dx, which is equal to 16, or simply we can say that v dv upon dx is equal to 8. So we have found the value of v dv upon dx. Mass is already given to us, which is equal to 500 grams. So force will be equal to 500 grams will be converted is to be converted into kg. So this is equal to 1 by 2 kg into 8, which is equal to 4 newtons. So the correct option here is B. So in the coming 4 or 5 sessions, I will be taking up the questions which has been asked in the JEE main exam. So in the next session also, I will be coming up with the question which has been asked in the IIT JEE main examination, preferably from the year 23, 24 or 25. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.